हेलो व्यूवर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरे YouTube चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। व्यूवर्स, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा हूं CCS यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का 2015 का क्वेश्चन पेपर। ठीक है, कल 15 जुलाई है और MCOM सेकेंड ईयर प्राइवेट वालों का एग्ज़ाम है CCS यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का। तो कुछ समय निकाला है मैंने आपके लिए, तो इसमें प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा आज। देखिए, 2014 का मैं ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका था 22 जून को, और जो 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है वो भी मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूं 24 जून को। तो ये सारे पेपर जो है मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट सोल्ड पेपर के नाम से एक प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है। तो आप स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उसमें वीडियो में आप प्लेलिस्ट में जा कर के 2020 का और 2014 का क्वेश्चन पेपर देख सकते हैं। इस वीडियो में मैं हालांकि 3 क्वेश्चन पेपर की मैंने PDF फाइल बनाई है, 2015, 2017 का मेन पेपर और 2017 का बैक पेपर। ठीक है, बैक पेपर का अरेंजमेंट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन फिर भी अरेंजमेंट हो चुका है, तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपसे डिस्कस कर दूँ। और 2018 का भी है, 2019 का भी है, 2016 का अवेलेबल नहीं हो पाया। ठीक है, तो बाकी जो है MCOM के स्टूडेंट्स मेरी BCOM वाली भी प्लेलिस्ट देखिएगा, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग, उसमें चैप्टर वाइज भी है इंग्लिश में, और जो है आपका CCS यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ के प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग के भी पेपर्स हैं। ठीक है, ये पेपर्स क्वेश्चंस आपको, अगर आप BEd एंट्रेंस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, TGT, PGT और NTA नेट की भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस ये हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। ठीक है, प्लेलिस्ट ध्यान रखिएगा, मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट सोल्ड पेपर, तो उसमें आप डिस्कस कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा मोबाइल नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं। अगर किसी को PDF फाइल चाहिए हो तो आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं। चलिए, तो 2015 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करते हैं। मैं केवल आंसर बताऊंगा क्योंकि समय ज़्यादा नहीं है इस समय कि मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकूँ या बीच बीच में बता पाऊँ। Price discrimination involves, option B is correct, charging different segments of customers different prices. Second, a price reduction to buyers who buy in large volume is called a quantity discount. In most large multi-product and multi-business organization, the strategic planning is done at, option D is correct, all of the above, means corporate level, product / operational level, and C business unit level. So D is correct, all of the above. Marketing mix involves product mix, promotion mix and service mix. Option D, all of these. AIDA stands for, most important question, AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and A for action. When a company reviews sales cost and profit projection for a new product to find out whether these factors satisfy the company objectives, they are in which of the following new process development stages? So option C is correct, business analysis. A company faces several major decisions in international marketing. The first of these decisions is B, looking at the global marketing environment. Question 8. Dash is screening new product ideas in order to spot good ideas and drops. A, idea evaluation. The practice of going after a large share of a smaller market or subset for a few markets is called, option C, concentrated marketing. 10. Which of the following is not a dimension of a marketing plan? Option D. What are we going to do when we get there? 11. In what ways are services differ from products? Option D is correct, all of the above, means services cannot be tried prior to purchased. Services delivery and customer satisfaction depend on employee. And option C, services cannot be stored for later use. So D is correct, all of the above. 12. Technological advances shift in consumer taste and increased competition, all of which reduces demand for a product, are typical of which stage in PLC. PLC means product life cycle. Option A is correct, decline stage. Promotional expenditures to sales ratio is generally high at stage of product life cycle. B, introduction. The concept of marketing mix is a book authored by C, H, Neil Borden. The most pervasive tool in promotional mixes. A, advertising. Buying situation may be affected by option D, all of the above. Means awareness about competing brands in a product group. Customers has a decision criteria under which he decides. And C, customer compares choices. So option D, all of the above. Which of the following may be considered for evaluation of salesman performance? So D is correct, all of the above. Means report on completed activities and future activities. B, report on expenditure. And C, report on new business and lost business. Right? D is correct, all of the above. Which are the factors to be considered while deciding the choice of channels of distribution? So D is correct, all of the above. Means perishability of product, cost of transportation, and C, size of orders. Right? 19. Grading consists A, standardizing the goods quality. 20. Setting the promotion budget so as to match the budgets of the competitor is characteristic of which of the following budget method? C, competitive parity method. Marketing concept rests on D is correct, all of the above. Target market, customers need, and coordinating marketing activities. 22. Which of the following is a part of core concepts of marketing? D is correct, all of the above. A, needs, wants, and demand. B, value, cost, and satisfaction. And C, exchange, transactions, and relationship. So D, all of the above. Which statement is true? Option D is correct, all of the above. ठीक है, इसमें आप स्टडी कर लीजिएगा, तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो करेक्ट हैं. मार्केटिंग फिलॉसफी कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड एज. इसमें थोड़ा सा मेरे को स्टूडेंट्स डाउट है, मैं इसको आपसे आंसर डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा, थोड़ा सा डाउट है मेरे को इसके आंसर में. 25. विच ऑफ द एलिमेंट ऑफ मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग? तो डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ए, it emphasizes mutuality of benefit. B, it is customer oriented. And C, it is operational. Option D is correct, all of the above. What is the role of internet in marketing? C, product and market extension. Product and market extension is based on option D, all of the above. Means existing product means new product, existing market means new market, and new product, new market. So option D is correct, all of the above. Managers of product oriented organizations hold that customers will favor those products that offer. D is correct, all of the above. Means quality, performance, and innovation features. So D is correct. In marketing concept, the achievement of organizational goal is accomplished through C, customer satisfaction, which is are the elements of promotion mix. Option D, all of the above. Public relation, exhibitions and trade fairs, and C, personal selling. D is correct, all of the above. The task of creating a strong customer loyalty is option C, relationship marketing. Process of dividing the total market into the similar groups having homogeneity is called C, segmentation. Within the rapidly changing global picture, the firm must monitor option D, all of these: demographic variables, technological, and C, political. D, all of the above. Which of the following is not a determinant of purchasing power? Option D, none of the above, means current income, no credit availability, and no debt. Starting point of understanding the buyer is option C, stimulus response. All the group that have a direct, means face to face, and indirect influence on the person's attitudes or behavior is A, reference group. Primary data is collected through, so D is correct, all of these, means observation, survey, and experiment. Secondary data is collected through option A, official record. The variables used to segment the market is oblique. Option D is correct, all of the above, means purchasing power, geographical location, and buying attitudes. D, all of the above. When the seller distinguishes the major market segment, targets one or more of these segments, are develops product and marketing programs tailored to each segment is called C, target marketing. Hindustan Lever Limited, who is manufacturing variety of toilet soaps, is probably segmenting the market on the basis of C is correct, income of the customer. The firm might ignore market segment differences and go after the whole market with one market offer. It is called B, undifferentiated marketing. An example of undifferentiated marketing is observable in option C, Coca-Cola Company. When a firm operates in several market segments and designs different programs for each segment, it is called option D is correct, differentiated marketing. Maruti Udyog Limited manufactures cars for every purpose and personality. It is an example of option D, differentiated marketing. The major benefit of an undifferentiated marketing is option D is correct, all of these, means cost economies, less competition, and greater profit. The correct sequence in product life cycle are introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Right? Option D is correct. Mobile phones in India are in the dash stages of product life cycle. Option B, growth. Manual typewriters are in the stage of product life cycle. D, decline. Profit improve substantially during the dash stage of product life cycle. B, growth. Existing product that are targeted to new markets or market segments is called option C, repositioning. A company's product mix will have a option D, all of the above, means length, width, and depth and consistency. Hindustan Lever Limited manufactures toilet soaps like Lifebuoy, Lux, etc. Taken together, these brands of toilet soaps constitutes a option A, product line. In marketing, VALS stand for, most important question, value and lifestyle. Who stated that real psychological forces shaping people's behavior are largely unconscious. Option A, Sigmund Freud. A product therefore may be regarded from the marketing viewpoint a bundle of benefits which are being offered to the consumer. This statement is of C. Dr. R.S. Davar. Marketing concept is option D, all of the above. Product oriented, sale oriented and customer oriented. D is correct, all of the above. Expenses on advertisement is treated as investment. Who has developed the concept of marketing mix? Neil H. Boulder. Which of the following is in proper order? Option A, segmentation, targeting and positioning. The number of different product lines offered by a company is termed as option B, with. A name, term, sign, symbol or design or a combination of them intended to identify the goods or services of one seller or a group of sellers and to differentiate them from those who competitors is called option A, brand. When a firm bases its price largely the competitors' price with less attention paid to its own cost or demand, it is called option C, going rate price. Many consumers use price as an indicator of quality. This concept belongs to option B, value pricing. Which of the following is most elementary pricing method? Option A, markup pricing. High brand equity provided a number of competitive advantages to a company accept. Option D, cannot charge higher price than the competitor. Generally, companies follow a price cut policy due to option D, all of the means excess production capacity, declining market share and drive to dominate the market through lower price. So D, all of the above. Marketing channel helps in option D is correct, all of the above means sales promotion, financing and risk taking. Any paid form of personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor is called option A is correct, advertising. Use of mail, telephone and other non-personal contact tools to communicate with or solicit a response for specific customers and prospects is a B, direct marketing. Short-term incentives to encourage trial or purchase of a product or service is called D, sales promotion. Price increases are most likely to occur due to C, over demand. Which of the following is not in 4 P's of marketing? D, people. A company says buy 2 soaps and get 1 free is associated with option C, sales promotion. A set of beliefs which are most cost effective at the early stages of the buyer decision process. A, advertising and publicity. A set of beliefs, ideals and impression that a person holds so about an object is called A, image. Industrial buyers are most responsive to which appeal? Rational. Smoking is injurious to health is written on cigarette pack. It is an appeal. Option B, emotional. Which are most cost effective at the latter stages of buyer decision process? A, sales promotion and personal selling. When a company wants to distinguish its products into goods quality and poor quality on the basis of various features of the production. The best analysis is C. Discriminant analysis. Marketing mafia theory by Theodore Levitt purposes that. So option C is correct. Innovation should be such as fulfilling the need of customers. Which of the following is (R) the objectives of marketing research? Option D is correct. All of the above means controlling marketing costs on advertising, selling and distribution. B. Exploiting new marketing. And C. Studying marketing competition and studying impact of external factors such as customer buying habits. So D is correct. All of the above. Consumer research, product development, communication, pricing are all core activities of A. Marketing. Cost plus pricing. Option C. Pricing by calculating the cost of production plus a margin. Which of the following statement best describes positioning? Option C. How are customers perceive you in relation to your competitors? According to Akar, which of the following is not one of the 6 levels of meaning a brand can convey? D. Price. A brand is a. Option D is correct, right? Name, sign. Combination of A, B and C means name, sign and terms. ठीक है, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ A, B, C means combination of name, sign and term. Electronic commerce. Option B includes electronic trading of goods and services. Essential of a goods advertising copy are. Option D is correct. All of these means attention value, suggestive value and memorizing value. D is correct. All of these. Advertising can be described as the art of creating a demand for an article or a service. This statement relates to A. C.L. Bowling. Which is the task of advertising? Option D. All of the above means providing information about the product. And B. Image building. And C. Behavior reinforcement. The term marketing mafia was coined by. Option C. Theodore Levitt. Who introduced 4 P's of marketing? McCarthy. Prices are kept very high in which pricing policy? Skimming. Price of a shoes is rupees 299. This is an example of dash pricing. B. Psychological. Consumer behavior consists of all human dash that go into buying decisions of customer. B. Behavior. The psychological aspects which helps marketers to understand consumer behavior include. Option D is correct. All of these means family, opinion leader and consumption patterns. Consumption levels in is which one of the type of segmentation basis? B. Psychoeconomic. Which of the following facts is (are true? Option D is correct. All of the above. B2C means business to customers. B2G means business to government. Consumers world. Business to consumer. B2G means business to government and C2C consumer to consumer. And last question is which of the following can be the pricing objectives? Option D is correct. All of these means market penetration, market share and C competition. तो D is correct. All of these. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये था आपका, क्योंकि वीडियो ज़्यादा बड़ी हो जाएगी तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपसे जो है 2017 का पेपर डिस्कस करूंगा, मेन पेपर, उसके बाद 2017 का बैक पेपर। तो बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ मेरे चैनल पर। अगर फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं तो मेरा चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, और उसके बाद आप उस सब्जेक्ट की प्लेलिस्ट जरूर विजिट करिएगा। हिंदी मीडियम में मैंने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पहले से ही अपलोड कर रखे हैं, तो हिंदी मीडियम वाले स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो भी आप प्लेलिस्ट में देख लीजिएगा। आप प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग की भी रीड कर सकते हैं और मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट की भी। बस, थैंक यू।